Did you know that insurance can sometimes feel like an escape room adventure? Hi there, I'm Francois Kern, and welcome back to Ontario Insurance Tips. Today we're going to tackle the insurance puzzle, and I promise you it's not as daunting as it sounds. Just like in an escape room, the key to solving the insurance puzzle is understanding the clues and knowing how to use them. Whether it's auto, home, condo, tenant renter, motorcycle, rented homes for landlords, business insurance, RV, travel insurance, boat or farm insurance, each type has its own set of rules and regulations, especially here in Ontario. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. I'm here to guide you through the maze, providing you with the most current and detailed information. And the best part, we're not just about information, we're about savings too. With our expert tips and insights, we can help you secure better insurance rates, typically 10% to 45% cheaper. Whether you're a young family just starting out, a seasoned homeowner, a business owner, or a landlord, our mission is to help you make informed decisions and get the most value out of your insurance coverage. So are you ready to solve the insurance puzzle? Let's get started. But before we do, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. And remember, if you have any insurance questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below or reach out to me directly. I'm here to help you save on your insurance costs. All right, let's dive in and start solving this insurance puzzle. Remember, just like in an escape room, the key is to stay calm, understand the clues, and use them to your advantage. Thank you for joining me today on Ontario Insurance Tips. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. And as always, if you have any questions or need help with your insurance, leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. Let's solve this insurance puzzle together and save money along the way. Until next time, this is Francois Kern signing off.